Agents are coming, but for them to be really useful, they need more than intelligence. They need a better internet to work with. I'm recording this from the Creator Studio at the Google AI Center in Berlin. There's one idea that keeps coming back to my mind. We are building these AI agents that can do more and more things for us. They can read, they can write articles, they can plan their own work, they can use tools, make spreadsheets, even connect with other agents. But the internet that they are using was not really designed for them. Think about it. It was designed for us. For people. I sit in front of a computer and I look at the page, I read the text, I click a button, I fill a form, check if something looks right, and then I decide what to do next. And this is how most of the web works. But this is for humans. These are not for agents. I think this is where the next big design challenge is. We are not just designing apps for humans anymore. We are designing systems where humans and AI agents work together. Humans should still be in control, but the agent should not need to behave like a confused intern, clicking around website, hoping it understood everything correctly. It should have clear paths, clearer rules, clearer permissions, clear ways to show what happened. This also matters for builders. If you are building software today, you already thought about user interface. But did you thought about agent interface? Because we think about what the user sees, what the user clicks, how do they complete a task, and also as a developer, you already thought about APIs, how other systems connect to your system. But AI agents sit somewhere in between. It's not that they are using a simple AI made for systems, but they are not also humans using simple web interface. They are in the middle path. It's not exactly a traditional system integration. They need context, they need instructions, and they need limits. They need ways to ask for help because there is this interaction between the agent and the human on the other side. So agents go to the website and they do whatever they can do, but then they go back to their human owners and ask for questions, and then they get back to where they were. That means we need to rethink the products we build. Not because every website should become an AI product, but because more and more users will have their own AI agents working for them. Sometimes a human will be looking at the screen, but sometimes the agent will be preparing the work in the background. And sometimes the agent will suggest an action and it will ask for approval. Sometimes the agent can accomplish a low-risk task, but sometimes it needs permissions because the web needs to be safer for humans. A better internet for agents maybe will be a better internet for humans because everything will be more explicit, more understandable, more respectful, less dependent on tricks and dark patterns and confusing flows. Because if an AI agent gets confused by your product, probably a human being will also be very confused. So maybe designing for agents will force us to design better for humans. And that to me is the interesting part. Not replacing humans, but making everything more accessible and automatic. Agents are coming, but for them to be really useful, they need more than intelligence. They need a better internet to work with. Thanks for watching. See you next time.